that motherfucker.
I'm just having so many malfunctions right now. Figure it out. Okay, y'all, so I know I look crazy, but I'm picking up my desk, okay? I'm at IKEA now, and I'm gonna pick up my desk. I'm not looking at this. Whoop. This is right here. I gotta put in this cart. Wish me good. Okay, so I'm at IKEA by myself, so I'm gonna try to get this in my trunk by myself. So it looks like I'm gonna have to pull my seats down. What's this in here? Okay. Woo! I look crazy. It's so hot. 104 degrees. Okay, so y'all, I got the desk in the trunk. They said my freaking desk wouldn't be available until the end of July, August, right? So I decided to say, okay, Khadijah, let me go to IKEA, because they open after not being open for forever and advertising that you can just order stuff online and pick it up, but they weren't even open. I was just like, whatever, I'm just gonna order it. I came to IKEA and I was just like, let me see if they have them in stock. See that they are. It says temporarily overstocked, something like that. Anyways, I took a picture and I found a little station where you can just like pick up furniture. I went to that and I was just like, let me see if they got them. Online they saying they out of stock and they saying they in stock. So I went and looked up on the little thing to see if they were in stock. They were in stock, thank God. They only had 3 left and I went and picked it up. Happy as fuck by that. So I look sweaty and tired. I'll see y'all when I get back to the house. Okay, y'all, so Kiki finally got my desk upstairs. I think we're gonna put it together tomorrow. So as you guys can see, it's the next morning. I woke up super excited to put my desk together, so please excuse my hair. But right now I'm just taking everything out the box before we start assembling my desk. This part right here, put these 2 like right here, and then we screw that, and then we put this back piece on here, and then we put one of these on there. Oh my goodness, look how tiny Bentley was. He's not even that small anymore. So right now, as you can see, we're about to start putting the drawers together. So that's what we started with. We started with the desk drawers. These seem to be the easiest to assemble. And right now, I guess you could say we're starting with the base of the desk, because this is like what holds everything together. This was kind of complex, but we somehow figured it out. On this step, we on step 15. This is one of the drawers. That's another drawer. I don't know what part that is. And we're doing this. I don't know what. I think this is to put the drawers on, maybe.
That's the bottom.
Or the bottom, something. Because we still have that piece and this piece right here. So y'all had to put Billy in his cage. He was just all over the place picking up screws. God forbid if he swallowed one. Oh, sorry. Is that the right end? That's supposed to be on that end.
Oh, be careful.
And so that piece go over there.
Sure.
You have to hold it up. Place your hand. I'm just going this out right here.
Weird. Weird as this.
Maybe it was supposed to go.
You're right.
What? So which one do we need to change? We need to change this one. They're supposed to be like this.
Yeah. And they go inside like that.
Well, this one needs thing right there.
No.
Yes, we figured it out. Put this one right there. Fuck, damn cold out. So I'm really happy with how my space came out. It's really cute. I can really see myself just sitting here focusing, editing my videos for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to get our wall art for like up here, and of course this is what my ring light will be sitting. I'm definitely going to get a plant, and I'm gonna get another little side drawer right here. I'm just sitting in my chair that you guys seen in my previous video. I'll most likely do a vlog of me purchasing a chair for my desk and also adding one last finishing touch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.